Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple yet powerful technique to highlight important numbers in your Excel spreadsheets, making them stand out for better visualization and analysis. So let's continue to work with our chart. In order to format the cells in which there are numbers, I can select the cells I need, go to the Number tab and click here the dollar or euro symbol or whatever I need. As we can see, we have, so to speak, currency cells. In these cells there is also a comma with the values of cents. If we do not need these cents, we can easily remove them. To do this, go back to the category on and click on this arrow and you will remove your values with cents. So you get a rounded figure without cents. Great! Sometimes it may seem more convenient to do this without the dollar or euro symbols, so I will show you with another example. I will format some values in this table back. I will select them again and click on the comma. I see that there is a space in my number. That is, if this number is 1000, then after the first digit I see a small space. It makes it easier to perceive the numbers visually. What about dates now? As of right now, I widened the column in cell G1 so that I can see the entire date. This is currently referred to as the short date format. Is it possible for me to update this? Of course. Excel knows this, therefore I am going to enter and navigate directly to the drop-down arrow next to the field that says Date. You will also see that when I log in, it automatically displays the short date format I currently use. However, I can update this in a different format. For this purpose, I will go to More Number Formats and click on the example to see what kind of file this is. I will choose this one. OK. If you have a format such as removing decimal places from certain fields, you can apply it to all cells below. This is an excellent opportunity to employ the Format Painter or Format Paintbrush. To begin, use the Format Painter to choose cells with desired formatting. Then I will come in and highlight the cells, and you will notice that when I do this, my cell or mouse pointer resembles a paintbrush. I will highlight the cell I wish to replicate the format to. When I release the mouse, the formatting will be duplicated for me. In conclusion, the Format Painter allows you to quickly copy formatting from one cell or range of cells and apply it to another. It saves time and effort by eliminating the need to manually recreate formatting styles. With just a few clicks, you can maintain consistency in your worksheets and ensure a professional look and feel. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.